For more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com. This is Dark Cybernetics 101 C++ programming. Follow along with our free course documentation. In this video, we'll quickly create a function to print out the hello world statement. To write a simple hello world program inside of the main function, we simply use cout, and inside the parameters we press the compile button and then we press the run button, and for our output stream we will get a message. But if there is no user namespace std here, we will get some kind of compiler error. We simply need to just take off these extra arguments. Those extra arguments are used generally for DLLs or like STL, but for this particular example we will just be fixing this problem by adding our user namespace std here, and this should alleviate our issues we have for this first particular program. Right, so we have a cout inside of our main function, and then we press the build button, and if everything's okay, the problems will be 0 at the bottom, as we see here, and it says done, and there's no problem at the bottom. And we press the run button and we should get some particular output. Alright, it says hello world inside of our command prompt, and we just simply press the X button to cancel that. Right, so to make a main function, right above main we're going to type the word void, and then we type the name of the type of function here. This has no parameters, and we need to make the curly brackets. Okay, then here we just want to press we can have this or not have it, but we can type std : for, and then use the cout statement, right, and then our quoted message, right, hello world. And at the bottom inside of our main we no longer need to cout, we can just use our print function. Here we just type the print in our function parameters and use a semicolon for our function, and then here after we just need to compile again, right, and then if everything's okay we shouldn't get any errors, right, because it's simple, and then we press the run button and we should get output for hello world. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com.